Hello everyone, this video I will show you our new PCB board, but it's a special PCB because this PCB is designed by our YouTube fans, Mr. Wilson. He have told us there are many users and many customers will have a question that if the controller is broken or if the smart system is broken, how to do, and where they have a manually controlling of the system. So he have designed the diagram and show me, and I have make this PCB board for he. Today we have make this board complete and show you the hardware resource and show his idea. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, you can leave on the YouTube channel. Okay, let's look at this S8 board. We call it S8 because just only 8 switch button. It's very simple. Let's look at the hardware details. Okay, let's look at this hardware details. You can see this is a S8 board. It's a black, and this is plastic shoe and support install on the DIN rail. You can see you can install on your power distribution box just as this. And here we can see that have 8 buttons. You can see here, and every button we have used this 60 ampere for the load, and that have 3 positions. You can see this is middle, and this is right, and this is left. So this very easy. Just use this switch button and make the pass by of the circuit. So you can see this is a PCB board we have designed. That is button because its current is large, so we can use this length become widely. And this is in front, so you can see because it's black color. It also has the one, and the bottom and the top just both have this layer, so that current will go through from this PCB largely. And this is the PCB board, and the important is uses this switch button. The switch button we have choose this high quality. So I can let you see this one. You can see that is the must voltage and the current, and left, middle, and right. And we can see the data sheet. We have used this one, just this one. So you can see this is the size, and this is the physical switch. Just that have 2 switch buttons inside of the buttons. So you can, when you put on the middle, so that will disconnect any side, and press this, that will connect with this terminal, and if at the right position, so that will connect with this terminal. So this will have disconnect for both. So this is safety, and this is for power of the automation system, or also another side is for the manual control way. So let's look at how it works. So here we can see this is diagram made by Mr. Wilson. So he have designed this system that is demoed by this E16S board. Actually, you can use any relay board, not only the Kinkonese product. You can also use yourself product or relay board. Just use the same principle. And this is a brick. And here you can see that is the button. This button and the middle that have connect with this terminal. So just this hole, this screw, that is the red one, and this 2 blue one, just this 2 hole, blue one. So you can see we have let this middle have connect with this leaf line for the lamp or for the curtain or for the other loads. Just use this middle terminal, and this is for the another way. You can see this have mode. This is for the automation mode, and this for the manual control mode. So because you can use your hand when the controller broken, you can choose this section. So you can see this lamp, this end, the neutral line have connected with this terminal, and just according to this leave line, which is manually controlled or which is controlled by the automation, just by this pass by switch button. So let's look at this wall switch. Just connect with this digital input. That is for momentary switch, is for on and off. Because this switch, you can connect with this key line and with this digital input. That is software determine which digital input and control which digital output. So that is according to the software on the ESP32 module or other CPUs. But this terminal we have connected with this switch that is physical without any software, without any application. So you can see if we have used this switch button board and the lamp and connect with this way, and so you can press at the middle. So this terminal, just this terminal, will disconnect with this part and this part. If you have pressed down at this side, so you can see this is the blue one is connect with this normal open, and this is normal. This is COM. This COM have come to this terminal, and this terminal actually is SIM. So you can see that is SIM. So that is from this brick. This brick is leave line incoming. So incoming and to this terminal and to this terminal, and one controlled by the mobile phone or controlled by your PC software. That relay one is on, so that will go through this one and go to this terminal and go to this switch button and go to this lamp. So the lamp will be on and off and controlled by this relay. Okay, if this relay broken or this board is broken, so you can press this button at this side. So you can see here the leave line also you go through this way and go into this way, this terminal, and this time that can directly go through this red one. So you can see that will go to the lamp work well. So this time not go through the current with this terminal and just go through from this terminal, this side. So this is for manually mode. So if this is broken, no problem. I have another way. If the board is work fine, so we can default is go to this terminal, go to this way. So this is way 1 and this is way 2. So just 2 ways you can choose which way you need to control this lamp. So this is how to use this board and use a different way to control this lamp. And this is the details of the pin define. You can connect with this button 1, button 2, button 3 until this 16 channel. If you want to use 16 channel, so you can use this board, just 2 board, or install on the DIN rail. So, but some load have a large current greater than 16 ampere, such as air conditioning, will not suggest connect to this switchboard. This switchboard mainly used for the lamp, the curtain, and some other small current device. So if you have used a large device, not connect to this way. Okay, this is how to use this S8 board. If you have any comments, you can leave the message to us. Thanks for watching.